Hello students, welcome back. Today we will study about capital market and the functions of the capital market. So what is capital market? A capital market is a market for raising long-term fund. Capital market consists of two market, primary market and secondary market. Uh, the capital market is a place when a firm needs lot of fund. So the firm has an option to go to bank, but the bank is not able to give huge amount of credit for a long term, because a bank give loan for a short term only. Okay, so the firm has an option to issue the share of the firm. So for issuing the share, the firm has to go in a capital market. So capital market is a place where a firm can issue a share and raise fund for its use. Okay, and the best thing of capital market is that we have two type of capital market. First is primary market and second is secondary market. In case of uh, primary market is a place where a new share are issued by the firm. Okay, and but in case of secondary market, there the trading of old share is been done. Like if a person has purchased a share from primary market and now he needs money, so he can sell that share in secondary market for the money. Okay, so that is why secondary market is known as a stock exchange. It's clear, student. The capital market is a place where a firm can raise a long-term fund. Now we will study about the functions of capital market. First function is capital formation. Capital market leads to capital formation for individual and a company. First of all, let us understand what do you understand by capital formation. So capital formation means making means arranging lot of money for doing business. Uh, Through capital market, a firm can arrange lot of money, lot of funds for doing a business for a long term. And same way, an individual can invest in the capital market and can gain a lot of capital for his personal use. Okay, so capital markets is benefited to both individual also and for company also, for generating for capital formation. Now we will talk about exchange of securities. So capital markets help the investors and company for buying and selling of securities. Means if a company or if a investor want to buy some securities, or if a company or investor want to sell some securities, so he had the option of capital market. So in case of capital market, the liquidity of the security is enhanced because it can be sell anytime in the capital market. So we can say through capital market we can easily purchase security and we can easily sell the security in the capital market. Next, we will talk about raise capital. Capital market help the business to raise long-term capital. As I told you, if a businessman need long-term fund for the business, so the best option he has is capital market. So he can raise a huge amount of capital from that place. So capital market is good for raising long-term capital for the business. Now we will talk about liquidity. Capital market gives liquidity to the investment in securities. Like if Mr. A has purchased some shares, okay, and while purchasing the shares of the company, he decided to sell the share after 10 years, okay, but after 2 years he needs some money. So he had the option to sell that particular share in the capital market, in the stock exchange, which is known as secondary market also. So it simply means the capital market makes the security so a liquid thing. You can anytime go over there and sell the shares and get the money. So the capital market give liquidity to the investment in the securities. So through the capital market, the s- in the secure the liquidity level of the security increases. Now we will talk about promote saving. Capital market promotes saving in the society. It means capital market has a capability to promote saving in the society. Why? Everyone want to be a rich, so they used to invest in shares, mutual funds. These are the different sources from where you can invest money in the capital market. So by this, people used to save money and invest in share. People used to uh, save money and invest in mutual funds. So these are the activities which promotes the saving of the society. So the capital market effectively increase the saving capacity of the individual, and they used to save money and they used to invest in the capital market and be rich. So students, thank you. Kindly prepare the notes, and I'm also sending the worksheet for you. Kindly prepare it. If you face any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.